Welcome back to jiuvmyerstudiovlog. Today I will make flower preservation display by using this clear resin. And here's the dried flower I am going to preserve. First I need to seal the flower with resin. Set aside and let it cure at least 8 hours. Once cured, let's proceed to make the first layer. Due to not having any silicone molder, for this process I am going to use this round microwavable container as a molder. Pour the resin into container and add some gold flakes. Spread the gold flakes around the side. Add resin little by little. After that, add the flowers. This dried flowers was sent by the client because she wants me to preserve this as a gift to her friend. Place the white rose, but before that, I will add some seal at the bottom of the flower to cover up the inner part. And place again the other flower and pour the resin. Add gold flakes. I'm adding this hydrangea red petals to enhance the color of my project. Add cutted white petals. Pour the resin on top of white rose and let it drip on other area. Also added some gold flakes on white rose. Now we're done on first layer. Let it rest and cure for 6 to 8 hours, then we can proceed on second layer. Now it's time for second or final layer. I will use clear resin again for this process. For this process, I will just pour the resin on container, especially on white flower. I need to make a thicker seal on that flower, so it won't break the petals easily. I am using this lighter to pop all the micro bubbles. You can use heat gun as well. Second layer is done and let it cure for 12 hours. I almost forgot. While I'm waiting to get this cure, I add one gold butterfly as a decoration. Here's the result after demolding. I added some decoration on the side to give an elegant look. Here's the final result. I hope you like it. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy this resin craft video. See you on part 4, the resin pendant flower preservation. But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. For more video just click this.